Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Mr. Roland Clint Coniendo?
Yes.
Okay. Let me ask you this first. Do you prefer to work individually or as part of a group?
Personally, I prefer to work individually rather than to work with others because I think I am more efficient and effective when I'm working on my own. But if the situation requires me to work with others, I can share my talent and skills for the company.
Okay. How about this? How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I see myself as a member of this company who has attained several achievements that can contribute to the growth of this company. I also see myself as a high-ranking employee of your company and as a higher wage or income per month.
Okay. Now, why should I hire you?
You should hire me because I am capable and I am also open-minded. In addition, I can also solve problems or difficulties that may arise in your company.
That's interesting, Mr. Coniendo. But how do you feel working at nights and weekends?
I feel fine working at night since I have some past experiences working late nights, but I'm not into working during weekends since I think weekends are for families and friends.
Okay. For your last question, what is your expected salary?
I expect my salary to be competent and it should match my skills and knowledge.
Okay. Thank you for that, Mr. Coniendo. We'll just call you for confirmation.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
So, Ms. Risa Linchasa,
Yes, sir.
how would you want me to address you?
Well, I would like to be addressed by my first.
Okay, Ms. Risa Lin, aside from the detail in your resume, tell me more about yourself.
As you can see, I'm a senior student at Malabon National High School, and I've always been a passionate science person. Also, I'm someone who succeeds on challenges and enjoys learning new things. My involvement in extracurricular activities, like recently I've joined a club. I've honed my communication and teamwork skills there. Also, I am known as organized and detail-oriented person, qualities that help me excel in balancing academics and our other commitments. So, I would like to say that I am very enthusiastic to share my abilities in a professional environment and expand my abilities further.
Okay, so, among the several applicants, what qualities makes you unique? Or, kumbaga, how do you differ from the other applicants?
I believe one of the main ability that makes me unique and different from other applicants is my ability to create a very, very innovative ideas. And if ever in the future you will hire me, I would definitely use this skill to improve our company at its better version or maybe even its best version.
Since you mentioned earlier that we might hire you in the future, what salary range do you have in?
For now, sir, maybe a salary ranging from 20,000 to 30,000 monthly.
I guess that's it. Thank you, Ms. Risa Linchasa.
Thank you, sir.
Please wait for our call within this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Please may I resume po?
Good afternoon. Have a seat.
Thank you po.
Mr. Ernest James Vasco, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today, Mr. Vascoba, I want to give you frequently asked questions. I just want to know your own definition of happiness.
If I were to define happiness, I would define it as something that you feel once you reach what your goal in life. Because I believe that once you achieve that dreams, there's something inside you, an enjoyment, a contentment, and that contentment will lead to happiness. The happiness that you feel inside. And for me, that's happiness. You're contented with something. You've given your family a comfortable life. You reach your college degree, your educational degree. That happiness will never get replaced by anything. By money, not by money. And yeah, I think that's how will I define happiness.
Very, very well said, Mr. Masino. But of course, it's not always about happiness. So when you're stressed, how do you handle it?
If I'm stressed, ma'am, I will handle it by staying calm. Why? Because I believe that when you're stressed about something like family problems, overloaded tasks, you'll tend to panic. And for that, you won't be able to solve those problems. So the best solution for that is to stay calm. So your mind will think or can think calmly to solve that problem. That's it.
That's it? Okay, so I guess that's the end of our interview. Thank you so much, Mr. Basuta. Just wait for the call of our staff, okay?
Noted po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Start.
Since you mentioned earlier that we might hire you in the future, what salary range do you have in mind?
For now, I have in mind a salary of 20,000 to 30,000.
Will think or can think calmly to solve that problem. That's it.
That's it. Okay. So, Mr. Basuba, thank you